your one-stop short review for cooling pad. Does cooling pad really works? Depends on your usage, your laptop airflow, environment, the design of the cooling pad and a few factors more. I have bought a cheap cooling pad with big airflow with 16 centimeters of fan and I've tested out while monitoring my laptop temperature. I'm using old laptop, Sony, Vaio, E-Series, V, P, C, E, A, 15, F, G, Intel Core i3 processor, 2.13 GHz, 4 GB of memory and ATI Mobility Radeon HD 4500 graphics series. As you can see in my video, the temperature increases a lot more without using a cooling pad. So to my conclusion, using a cooling pad is just an additional part to prevent more damages to your laptop. Is it worth of your money in buying it? If you are keen in investing more to extend your laptop's life or to reduce your laptop's heat, why not? What do you think about cooling pad? Does it work for you? Share your thoughts with us and to our community. Like and follow us. Be part of the community. Global Tech.